This train, which is on track 6 in staging yard A, is the, I'll call it the low level or standard passenger car level of the El Capitan, and this is eastbound. The westbound version was done several months ago, and it was the high level version. So we'll move this train over to Ready Tracks East for its trek up to Union Station. I might add, these are the 3D printed E1 AB set that are on Kato E8 AB set, and they also both have the Tsunami2 KN-1 decoders in them. So we'll catch up with it over in Ready Tracks East. Here comes the train in Ready Tracks East, track number 1. We'll stop here momentarily. The E1 AB set, I still need to put the cover here on the front and probably darken the cab a little bit because it does have some light overflow. This thing is numbered number 4. So there's the AB, and they fit really snugly on the Kato chassis. And so here we're going to go up to Union Station from here. And here comes the train. At the station, the storage mail behind the 2 engines will be removed, and a coach will be inserted after the second last car and before the coach observation. We'll catch it on track 7. Comes the train on track 7. Hopefully nothing will run off the tracks here. The pair of engines had no problem pulling that long consist up the helix. Some engines do, and so I have to have a lot more than just 2. Like the F units all need 3 or 4, depending on the length of the train. The road engines will now move the storage mail car to track number 6. Off camera, we moved the storage mail here to track 6, and the road engines are back reconnected to the train. We'll now have a switcher add the other coach. The engine up there is it's a BLI. I believe it's an NW2 old switcher. And what it'll do is it'll come back up, grab onto the coach observation, and move it out of the way so we can add the other coach. The switcher just temporarily parked the coach observation there on track 9. It'll now go back and get this coach over here, which is sitting on the wash rack. Here the engine is set up to go back and pick up that car. I believe it's coupled. We'll tell here in a second. Yep. Now, you'll notice that the switcher is on the wrong side of the car to add it to the end of the train. It'll have to go around the reversing loop and then come back, and then it'll be in correct position to go behind the train, and then we can add the other car. There's the switcher running the car around the reversing loop, which goes around the entire engine facility. And it'll be coming back over this way. This is a semi-bad turnout, so I'll have to keep an eye on that one. That's right. That's right. Have to switch a turnout under there. This would all have been done simultaneously with the movement of the other car off the storage mail car off the train, going back to the track 6. And I'll slow it down in here because I always have a little bit of trouble with some of these older turnouts. But this is one of the reasons why I have this reversing loop. That switcher is a really nice little switcher. Okay, now it's beyond the turnout and I can switch it back. Well, I guess it's off the track. I'll show you the tool I used to get this car over here back onto the track, and just placed it over here. And then we had this is my controller, by the way. Go get the coach observation on track 9 and go ahead and pull it forward, and now we're going to back it up and we'll connect it to the other car It's got a different type of coupler on it. It is a Concours car, the coach observation, and sometimes it doesn't connect up right, so we'll just bring it up. And I believe this other one here is a Walters car, and they have trouble too, so we'll see. Okay, I need to check it. Put the controller down. Everything's connected up. It's a miracle. All right, everything's connected up. I had to cheat a little bit, but I'll put the switcher back on track 11, and I'm going to swing over here and I'm going to show you something. I bought this. This is a grabber, and since the corner, sorry, I'm swinging, of the layout back over there, I really don't like having, because of my back issues, I don't like crawling. I can go over there once or twice, but I have to be very careful and come up through the pop up to grab the cars. But that thing reached very nicely over there and grabbed the car so I could get it back onto the tracks. Well, trials and tribulations of a model railroad. So we'll go ahead and double check and make sure all the turnouts are set properly, and then we'll get on moving westbound. Okay, here comes, hopefully, over the turnouts. I got a couple, there's another red marker there you'll see. And we do have left hand running, so the train will have to go over to the westbound main over there, which is what it's doing, hopefully. And there you get a good look at those E1s. And there goes the westbound El Capitan low-level version. And thanks for watching, everybody.